All out. Loosen. Wow. That was really good. Breathe low in your belly and find your butt squeeze. So what I'm touching here is her gluteus medius and minimus. It's a small muscle here that helps to bring the hip this way, an external rotator. And the front, more we go to the front, the more that we're hitting into our hip flexor right here. IT band comes down to the knee, hip flexor. So from her sitting, everything's getting really tight here and pulling and lifting here, making this compensation occur here. This is called lower cross syndrome. The core gets weak, the glute gets weak, right? The abs get tight in the front and the hip flexors get tight in the front with the IT band all the way down into here. This is what took a lot of people's hips. Because if your ball and socket can't move properly, it's not getting fed. Hold on for me. Ooh, nice adjustment there. Breathe low. All out. Let go. Taking it. Good, one more time. All out. Lean back. Good, on your back. Perfect. Breathe low. All out. Loosen. Wow. That was really good.
Yeah.
Another drill. Full. Yep. My goodness. Is it more in the hips? Wrapping around?
There's a lot of tight. It's just real tightness like here and around, but then yeah, low back. I usually feel more pain in my left side, around through my oblique.
Okay. Yeah. Nothing from volleyball, nothing new?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Cracks get a little naughty from volleyball, but...
Yes, they do. Okay, so we're dealing with some low back pain. Left side, you said, is worse than right?
Yeah.
And it's not constant. You feel it the most, though, after sitting? Or during sitting?
Probably more the more I sit. Yeah, so if I have periods of like I've been sitting more or something, or over a period of days, it definitely feels worse than.
Breathe low in your belly. Decompress the lumbar spine. Good, let go. We want to take a good 3 to 4 second inhale. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And let it go. Good. I'm going to touch your hip flexors, okay? So find the bony part of the hip. Go right underneath it. Is it just ticklish? Or painful? Or both?
Or both.
Now relax. Now breathe in your belly and find your Kegel and feel everything decompressed on this way. Good. Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
That helped your leg length a little bit.
I was like, the more I can walk, the better it usually is.
Because walking is going to be a glute-driven thing.
Yeah.
Sitting is going to be a hip flexor-driven thing. And you can tell right now when I touch here, it's painful and it's very tight.
Yeah.
And this does not feel as tight as this side, where the tension always belonged here and not in the front. That's why sitting is so bad for us. When I stand, I have about 750 pounds per square inch on my L5, S1 vertebra. When I sit, it more than doubles to 1,500 pounds per square inch. That research proved that employers have to provide a standing desk for employees. Did you feel that adjust? Did you feel your low back adjust?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That doesn't hurt, does it?
No.
Feels good almost?
Mm-hmm.
So now do that again and breathe. Yep. All the way out. Good. That adjusted well. So we got a little rib right here to manipulate already. You're right-handed, correct?
Yeah.
That mouse, this is your mouse hand?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're getting better though with your posture up here, I can tell. So I can kind of separate your shoulder blade off of your back now.
Mm-hmm.
When you first started working on the computer a lot and scanning a lot, this was always very stuck to your back.
Yeah.
So the fact that I can pull it and lift it tells us that your subscapularis and all these muscles in here, oof. Volleyball makes those so tight on you.
No.
Take that spiky roller all through that region. That really helps. So we know it's this external rotators over here on this hip, and we know it's the same thing on this side. Well, hello, Miss Eve. She just kicks the door open. She knows where she's going. A little sweet pea. Breathe low in your belly. Decompress your lumbar. Find your butt squeeze underneath. That's step 2. Step 3, we're going to pull our lats down just a little here on the sides. And then finally tuck your chin just a little bit. We want to feel everything lengthen and everything restore the curve. The tucking of your chin restores this curve. The lats down prevents the hunchback. The belly breath prevents the hyperlordosis, or the severe curve here, along with that butt squeeze. Let it all drop. Pressure's okay, right?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm kicking your butt. So once again, find the top of your bone here, and then just go right below it. Are you okay with me touching here?
Yeah.
It's just really sore?
Yeah.
Like that hurts?
It's tight. I think it's just a...
Breathe low in your belly and find your butt squeeze. So what I'm touching here is her gluteus medius and minimus. It's a small muscle here that helps to bring the hip this way, an external rotator. And the front, more we go to the front, the more that we're hitting into our hip flexor right here. IT band comes down to the knee, hip flexor. So from her sitting, everything's getting really tight here and pulling and lifting here, making this compensation occur here. This is called lower cross syndrome. The core gets weak, the glute gets weak, right? The abs get tight in the front and the hip flexors get tight in the front with the IT band all the way down into here. This is what took a lot of people's hips. Because if your ball and socket can't move properly, it's not getting fed. Hold on for me. Ooh, nice adjustment there. Thank you for that. I'm not going too hard, right?
No.
Good. Yeah, that's your spot here. At least we're finding them, right?
Yep.
Biggest issue of a problem is knowing what that issue of that problem is. So we know for you it's these hip flexors and the rolling of your... Good. Breathe low in your belly. Good. One more time, breathe real low. Keep going, keep going. Let it all out. Loosen. Let go. That moved a little bit. Too hard?
No.
Breathe. All out. Loosen. Good stuff. Look your head up for me. Breathe. All out. Loosen up. Let go. That moved a little bit too?
I couldn't tell.
I'm taking it. It's mine.
Take it.
It's mine. Hold on to those railings for me. Yep. That was loud. Yep, hold on. Good. Breathe low in your belly. Let go. Loosen. Good. Perfect. Breathe low. All out. Loosen. Wow. That was really good.
Yeah.
Breathe in your belly. We'll get in a plank and we'll go on our back, face up. Pull this up. So good. That neck one was important.
That was a big one. Yeah.
Breathe low. Let go. Loosen. Okay. Breathe in, Kegel. We'll go on our side. Good. I'll pull it here. Good. This knee's gonna come up to your chest and fall to me and hang off here. Now loosen up. Now breathe low. All out. Let go. Taking it. Breathe in, Kegel. Switch sides. Good. Breathe low in your belly. All out. Good. One more time. All out. Lean back. Good. On your back. Cross our arms. Breathe in your belly. That was easy. Knuckles. Good. Yeah, this is a good one today. I'm just glad your neck moved great earlier. I feel like you haven't done that since you've been doing the computer job. You know what I mean? It's been more challenging for me to get that to move. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Good. That's perfect. I'm gonna go here. I'm full. Good. Another draw. Fall. Yep. My goodness. Thank you. Making me look good.